Wow, what a week it's been for the stock market and cryptocurrency. And so today, let's talk about Dogecoin. For anyone watching that doesn't know what Dogecoin is Dogecoin is just a cryptocurrency similar to that of Bitcoin. That's the most popular and most heard of cryptocurrency out there today. So Doge is just a less popular coin which just blew up yesterday. And so this video will just be kind of a cryptocurrency 101. We're gonna mainly focus on Dogecoin and really why it matters. Is Dogecoin going to the moon? Well, let's find out. With Elon Musk being one of the strong proponents of Dogecoin, it may go to the moon, it could even go to Mars. So to give a little bit of background of what Dogecoin is, Dogecoin was created by Billy Marcus from IBM and Jackson Palmer from Adobe. Dogecoin was launched on December 6th in 2013. So their goal with creating this was to make it more easily accessible by more people. And later on in this video, I'll explain exactly how they were doing that. It was actually created as kind of a meme coin. See, Dogecoin started out as a joke, and that's why they used the Shiba Inu from the Doge meme, hence where the name and the logo came from. And now that it's caught on, it's just a very fun cryptocurrency. But now more than 7 years later, it's becoming a really popular cryptocurrency. So how is Dogecoin different than Bitcoin? So cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and a bunch of others are deflationary currency, which means there's a limit of how many there are in circulation. As opposed to Dogecoin and a bunch of these other altcoins, these are inflationary cryptocurrency, which means there's no limit on how many can be in circulation. So cryptocurrency as a whole was created to allow people to transfer money from person to person without having to have a bank in between. In order to keep track of how much money each person has, there was a database created called blockchain that keeps track of all of the transactions that occur through cryptocurrencies. It is quite expensive to run all of the servers for these transactions, and blockchains don't have paid employees like banks, and so everyone that's able to confirm a transaction is rewarded with cryptocurrency. So once you're rewarded for confirming a transaction, that's what's called cryptocurrency mining. So now you know what mining cryptocurrency is. Let's talk about a little bit how you mine cryptocurrency. So like I said before, it takes a lot of computing power in order to mine cryptocurrency. So there are multiple algorithms that cryptocurrencies can use. So depending on the algorithm, that will make an impact on how hard it is to mine it. And based on the difficulty to mine a cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency can reward you with a different amount of cryptocurrencies as well as require different levels of computing power. So this is where Dogecoin comes in and why that's important. So to understand the difficulty between different cryptocurrencies, let's use Bitcoin as an example. So Bitcoin has a difficulty of 3.5 trillion, and it takes about 10 minutes to check each block of transactions. And for every successful transaction that you confirm, you're rewarded with 12.5 Bitcoins. Now compare this to Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a difficulty level of only 2.8 million and only takes 1 minute to check each block of transactions. However, you're rewarded with 10,000 Dogecoins for every successful transaction you confirm. You can see how Dogecoin is much easier to obtain than Bitcoin. However, that comes with a cost because when Dogecoin was created, it was 0.5 cents. So half a penny is what one Dogecoin was worth. Now, with everything that's been going on in the last couple of days, it has risen by more than 1,000% to a whopping 5 cents. And it has a market cap of $5.4 billion. And like I said earlier, this is all thanks to Reddit users and people like Elon Musk who have tweeted out in support of the currency over the years. So what does this mean for the future of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies? Well, cryptocurrencies by their nature are very volatile, as you've seen over the last few days. They can rise for any reason or they can fall for any reason. It's not like currency today that is tied to gold or other valuable materials. And Dogecoin is just one of over 4,000 different cryptocurrencies out there. So what really makes cryptocurrencies successful is their popularity among people. So right now, Dogecoin is very popular on the internet. And if that continues, then that bodes very well for the future of Dogecoin. It could go all the way up to 50 cents, which would be a 10 times increase over what it is today. It could even go, some were thinking, to $1 or beyond. But we know one thing, it is definitely going to the moon. See, it's all tied to supply and demand. if more people are buying Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency, then it will continue to rise. However, if people stop buying it and get bored of it, then it would fall because there wouldn't be enough demand for the supply. However, with large names like Elon Musk supporting it, it's doubtful that it would crash anytime soon. And cryptocurrencies as a whole are only going to get more popular as the internet and as technology advances. The US government is also looking into creating a cryptocurrency or adopting one for its official use. So that tells you that there is a real strong future for cryptocurrency as a whole. And overall, I would say over the next 10 to 15 to 20 years, people that invest in cryptocurrencies today, as we have seen with Bitcoin, they're going to most likely make it out ahead of the game as long as you do your research and choose wisely. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents on this topic. I think it'll be a very solid investment for anyone that's investing. But remember, as cryptocurrency gets more expensive, there's going to be less room for profit. So make sure you choose wisely and spread the risk among multiple currencies. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this content, if this was helpful, I'd appreciate if you liked the video down below, leave a comment what you thought, and subscribe for more. I'll primarily be releasing videos around finance and real estate. So if those topics interest you, then definitely hit the subscribe button down below. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.